and today we have some exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has surged past the $26,000 mark, and we've got the latest insights on the market. But that's not all. Altcoins like Ethereum, Dogecoin, Ripple, Litecoin and Solana are also making their moves. Stick around to find out which token is today's biggest gainer and loser. The global crypto market cap has hit an impressive $1.05 trillion. This marks a 24-hour gain of 0.14%. It's a clear indication of the growing strength in the crypto space. But let's not stop there. Here's a breakdown of the major players. Bitcoin, the OG of cryptocurrencies, is leading the pack. It's currently standing tall at 26,283.80, showcasing a 24-hour gain of 1.87%. For our Indian viewers, that's roughly Rs 22.66 lakh, according to WazirX. Now, turning our attention to Ethereum, it's seen a notable 24-hour jump of 0.56%, landing at $1,747.17. For our Indian audience, that translates to about Rs 1.43 lakh. Other major players like Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ripple, and Solana are also making strides. Each of them has seen promising gains over the last 24 hours. Stick with us for a closer look at their numbers. Let's celebrate the winners. Here are the top 5 crypto gainers over the past 24 hours. Astar ASTA price, $0.59990, 24-hour gain, 4.83%, HDC network, HDC price, Shandul 4 Newell, 24-hour gain, 4.65% render RNDR price, 148 24-hour gain, 40.12%, Yota price, Sheepon 7 Tani, 24-hour gain, 3.49% Rocket Pool RPL price, 3.35, 24-hour gain, 2.66%. Now, let's acknowledge the ones facing a temporary setback. Here are the top 5 crypto losers in the past 24 hours. Synthetic SNX price, 2.25, 24-hour loss, 3.16%. Toncoin, Ton, price, 1.78, 24-hour loss, 2.26%. Polygon Matic, price, 0.5499, 24-hour loss, 2.23%. DYDX, price, 2.05, 24-hour loss, 2.02%. Trust Wallet Token, TWT, TAE price, 0.7975, 24-hour loss, 0.94%. Segment 7, Expert Insights. Now, let's hear what the experts are saying about the current market scenario. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the current crypto market. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.